Welcome back to the channel, Cat Comrade. In today's video, we are going to learn about a very simple thing, but still you have to know. So, in the uh, AutoCAD 2025 and so on, you by default get to one and more layout form, which is right over here. So, what happens when the both of the layout boards are full and you have sheets in both of them? So after you have sheets in both of them, what you have to do is you have to add a layout. So how are you actually going to add a layout is a really crucial thing. So there are basically two options. After the AutoCAD 2025, they have added a tab of plus, which automatically adds a new layout, and if not, you can right click on the layout tab and press on new layout option, and that will also add into your layout option. So this is how simple it is to add a layout in AutoCAD. And if you want to learn more about layouts, then you can always comment below. And thank you for watching. If you liked it, then share it with someone who may need it.